This Zury V8.9.10 reminds me of a smooth glass of VSOP. Vixen, Slave, and on point. YouTube, your girl Marcita B here, about to create a new DIY crochet braid unit, and I'm using the Zury V8.9.10, one of their new styles from this collection. It's their Wanda curl, and I am so happy that they have added some nice Sombre colors. I am using Sombre Rose. I just love this pink. Now I have tried another style, the Go-Go, from this collection a while back, and I'll post a link in the description box to that. That hair was definitely enough for a one-pack solution. This looks like it will be too. It comes with 3 bundles, an 8-inch, a 9-inch, and a 10-inch, and you get about 24 to 26 strands per bundle. For this DIY crochet braid unit, I'm using a micro crochet braid cap that I purchased for $2.99 at my local beauty supply store. And I am starting with the 10-inch in the back. You can start with the shorter length if you like. I will not be separating the strands in the back, but I will towards the front. I've laid all the strands out from one bundle on my chair to make it faster and easier to install the hair. It actually only took a couple of hours to create this wig. And you know I don't do tutorials, but I'm showing you here how easy it is to install this hair as you normally would, using your latch hook onto the braiding cap. The hair is a tiny bit silky, just like the other hair that I used, the Go-Go style. So I'm looping once and then taking small strands from either side and tying those off 3 times just for a little added security. So you'll just continue the same process all the way around until you have all your wig cap covered. And I did not separate the strands, as I said, in the back, but towards the top and front. For a little extra coverage and fullness, I did separate the strands. YouTube, this is my completed unit on. This is all I had left out of the pack. Now, you definitely do not have to go for this big full over-the-top flamboyant look that I'm going for. Especially if you're in a work environment that calls for a more reserved, more professional look, you can use a lot less hair or space the strands out more, even trim it down some. But this is definitely a great one-pack solution. That will do it for this video, YouTube. As always, thank you so very much for watching. I truly appreciate you. Rate, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. I am out for now. I'll be back tomorrow with another new look. So please check back for that. Until then, you know what I always say. Be safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.